Okay, we will be very most involved in the clinical studies. So we'll do a pilot study to see what we can record with these kind of devices, what matters to the patient, and how the devices that we develop ultimately meet the expectations and demands of the individual woman. We will also be involved in the clinical trial together with two other clinical partners, and we will randomize patients for either the new development or the existing practice.
Okay, as a psychologist, we are trying to bring our expertise and experience on this project, mainly on enhancing adherence to treatment, and also to increase the level of empowerment of women, to have high motivation during using the device, which is planned to be developed in this project. So for us it's very exciting to work with an interdisciplinary team, because there are here clinicians with one perspective, there are people from IT, and also people from business. So we are academics and specialists in health psychology.
We participate in the clinical trial to pilot this intervention in these women to see whether it's clinically effective, and we will also perform the economic evaluation to see whether it's also a cost-effective intervention, whether it also contributes to reducing cost of healthcare.
Well, I'm representing the European Urogynaecological Association, EUGA, as its president, and it is an organisation which promotes the clinical practice, education and research in urogynecology as a subspecialty of obstetrics and gynecology, rather than being a general part of gynecology. And I hope that we will be able to advertise the project on our website, possibly undertake a survey of EUGA members to find out their views on the importance of self-help for women. And I very much hope that the project will lead to empowerment of women, to enable them to take care of this very, very common problem, which is embarrassing and very costly in terms of pads, and it definitely deteriorates their quality of life. So I hope very much that this project will enable them to use modern technology to look after themselves.
Actually, our company's contribution will be that we are developing the technology and device and the portal solution for home self-treatment. That's really the best major goal for us.
And we have more than 15 years track record producing some devices for this area already.
Well, I hope that we will be able to oppose treatment to more women than we are now. Women at the moment are mainly dependent of the way that they can reach medical help, whether they can travel to a doctor, and whether they have the trust and confidence to a doctor. We know that there's a lot of shame and a lot of women seek medical help, and this solution could really expose much more women with urinary incontinence in Europe to new solutions. And I'm quite confident that we have a group together and that we have a protocol together that will make us realize those targets.
I think that this is a benefits of this project, at least in this stage, it looks great for women having to deal every day with this problem. So, of course, increasing the quality of life of these women, increasing their satisfaction, having a friendly device, and why not to have a normal life for them, because again, from a psychological point of view, perhaps they are withdrawn from their social life, maybe sometimes even from professional life. So I think that the benefits of group farming can be great.
Well, it looks like a very promising strategy to treat these women, and if it works as it is suggested, and women appreciate their own management of their health problem, I think could be a very successful program, and the outcomes will demonstrate will be very effective.
So actually, we hope that the clinical results and this whole consortium will bring some more information about what is the best technology, best way to really create this kind of cost-effective self-treatment technology for home treatment.
No, in fact, I just talked with my colleagues that even if you don't have to collect data from Romania, but definitely we do in order to find more about how women are dealing with this issue, because I'm working a lot with women with reproductive health issue, with general population, but very often I hear women talking openly about this issue. So I'm really interested how women from Romania will react or will accept this type of technical and medical assistance. It will be really very nice.
I think it's great to do, also in the Netherlands. And I also think that in women who are often working at their busy life, that it would very much help if they have a system that can use in their personal agenda and personal life. So it's better, it can be better integrated in the personal way of life than going to the doctor or the physiotherapist every couple of days. I think that would really, in the Dutch culture, be very helpful.
Different countries have different healthcare pathways, they have different attitudes towards this problem. In some countries it's viewed as being a natural part of growing older or having children or wear and tear. In other countries it's thought of as a disease. And it's very variable, and the coping strategies that women use can be very different from country to country.